Hello, welcome to Aikun Factory. We are a strategic manufacturing partner for Allwinner, specifically producing the Allwinner A33.
So this is A33 tablet Renault, and you're mass manufacturing.
Yes.
So let's go into your factory.
Sure.
So how big is Aikun?
Aikun is approximately 400 employees. We do an annual turnover of about 40 million US dollars. Here you can see this is our sales staff. We produce approximately 1.3 million units this year, which 70 to 75% will be Allwinner SoC.
All right, so a big partner with Allwinner.
Yes.
And why do you work so much with Allwinner?
Allwinner has great customer support and service. It's strategic in helping us debug when we have issues of software related to any Android products that we're developing. Overall, they're just a good partner to have. Especially here locally in China. They have very large engineering staff that can help us through any issues that we may have.
All right, so you do all kinds of other products also. You do keyboards?
Yes, we started with keyboards and mice under the ATEC group name. We approximately produce 3 to 4 million keyboards and mouse per year. Our networks where we sell into include Latin America, parts of Europe, and also the Middle East.
You're pretty big in Latin America.
Very big in Latin America. For our Aikun product brand, Latin America and Mexico, we ship approximately 50,000 units a month. And we have strategic partnerships with other OEM customers in Latin America.
So let's go to your assembly line.
Sure.
So what's the production capacity that you have here in your factory?
Total capacity is 300,000 units per month. We currently have an open capacity which will range between 150 to 200,000 pieces a month. Reason why we do this is we have to prepare for the high season, which is Christmas.
All right, so you can expand the peak, and then the A33 is ready for mass production?
A33 is ready for mass production. I believe we're doing trial runs at the moment. Once trial runs completed and we have all the test data, then we'll be able to release large mass production to the public.